Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to separate audio from video in Capcut PC. The first thing you're going to do is open up your Capcut app on your PC and then you click on new project and it will bring you here. And once it's here, this is the home page. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to import the video. You import the video. Let's say this is the video. You click on it. Click on open. Since it's too large, okay, let's play. Now I want to separate the audio from the video. All you have to do is right click on the video in this place. See here, over here, you right click on it and then you will see extract audio. Click on extract audio. And now this is the video and this is the audio. Watch. Let me remove this so you can. I'm going to play this. Can you see there's no audio at all? Now if I play only this, so I successfully separated the audio from the video. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.